Hi, it's Kara Romano, Executive Editor of CGT, here from the beautiful ballroom at the Drake Hotel in Chicago. I'm here with Dan Wu from Nestlé. Welcome.
Hi, Kara. Thank you.
Just before the conference kicks off, I just really wanted to talk to you about analytics. Data and analytics has become such an important part of our business, of our industry.
Absolutely.
This conference has been growing, so I just wanted to get your perspective on why you think that's happening. How has it changed your role and what's going on at Nestlé?
Well, it's changed my role quite a bit. We have made significant investments in analytics and are building teams around analytics. And it's all about how do we get a better understanding of the consumers, the customers, so that we can improve our own planning and execution and just be able to operate smarter.
We started off talking about big data a few years ago, actually.
Yeah.
It's been a few years now. So how is the evolution? Where do you think the industry is headed next?
Well, it's definitely, big data is a given, and I forgot where I read it somewhere, but somebody was saying it's the oil, it's the lifeline of how businesses need to operate.
Right. So it's not just about gathering the data; it's about what you do with it. We've been saying that over and over and over.
Right. And what we're seeing is we can get to the insights quickly, but the challenge is how do you drive that into action, especially when these new insights actually drive the need to change processes.
Are those processes, do you see it more happening on the supply chain, the logistics end, more in sales and marketing? Where do you think it's going to happen first?
Well, we're seeing impacts across the board. And I think what we're also seeing is the lines are blurring between sales and supply chain. These insights impact supply chain process as well as sales.
Good. I want to shift gears just a little bit. You are an an editorial advisory board member.
Yes.
So you've been working with CGT for many years now. You were at this event last year. So just curious about this event specifically. Why do you think that it is growing? Why do you think what does this event in particular add for you?
Well, actually, I've come to this event since the very first one in San Diego. So this is the third one,
right.
and I've enjoyed each one of them. I think one of the benefits is the good mix of retail, consumer goods, as well as academia and the technology providers. And from my perspective, it's always been good to be able to benchmark just our plans, what we're currently working on, as well as, I've always found some of the sessions pretty mind-bending in a good way, where it's helping me to stretch how I think. So,
Good. Thank you very much. Enjoy the conference.
thank you, Kara. Appreciate it.